Well, I've just been down to my local Lidl's and it's like Christmas for me. I've just picked up all these cheap little Parkside tools that I will be reviewing on my channel. Check it out. Lidl's 12 volt Parkside cordless drill. I've seen a lot of good reviews on YouTube about this and it was only £17, so I thought I would grab one. Here we have your manual, the drill itself, and we also have selection of drill bits and screwdriver attachments. You have your battery condition LCD screen, forward, reverse, work light and torque settings. The chuck also comes off, leaving access to the screwdriver attachment, which the screwdriver bits just magnetically fit. £125mm screw. £125mm screw. Let me do the torque setting up. That's a bit too much for that. £150mm screw. Hopefully we'll do this. Absolutely no problem with that. That's on speed 2. Let's try speed 1. Small screws, not a problem. In all fairness, I was asking a bit too much, doing 125mm. Love the fact that the chuck just slides off and on. speed 2. Absolutely no problem. Let's see how it manages with a 19mm wood boring bit. Well, that absolutely surprised me, the power of that little thing. Putting all straight through a bit of 4x2. Didn't expect it to do it, in all honesty. For £17, well recommended. After the success of that, let's try a 32mm bit. Again on speed 2, 32mm bit. I can tell you the drill is feeling quite hot. It seems to be doing it. You can actually see smoke coming from the drill, but it's got 3 years warranty, so if it breaks down I'll just take it back. Killing tools for your enjoyment. And we're through. That is amazing. 32mm bit, plenty of torque and power, and it's bored and all straight through a piece of 4x2. It doesn't actually feel that hot actually. Battery still on green. Well impressed with that for £17, absolute bargain. Well, the YouTube videos was right. Amazing little tool for such little money. Forward, reverse, speed 2, speed 1. Very impressed.